I know it has been a while, but trust me, I am back with something exciting. If you ever wanted to make extra money without a shop, huge capital, or too much stress, then this video is for you. I am going to share how I personally made money using Facebook Marketplace, even without knowing how to make the product I was selling. Shocking, right? This happened with just my phone and consistency. Plus, I'll be dropping some extra tips to help you make even more money on marketplaces here. So sit tight, grab your popcorn, and make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get right into it. So for those that don't know, this is a column for Facebook Marketplace where you can actually buy and sell on Facebook from around the world. Now, whether or not you don't know how to sell, you can actually start selling. Whether you have an already existing business, you can increase your sales with Facebook Marketplace. Here's another column for where you can find Facebook Marketplace. So I've just shown you two places. So for beginners who don't know how to use the Facebook Marketplace, all you need to do is click on the sell button. You can see the sell button here right before categories. Once you click on the sell buttons, this appears. So tada, you're good to go. Now this is what you're gonna see. Your new listing, your category has a lot of categories where you're selling, your price, your location, and your description. Now there's the question: why do people make more money with Facebook and others do not? Let's get to the juiciest part. Your description and title should be really important. Now here's a description and here's a title with an example. Right now you can see your features, handmade with high quality materials, available, blah 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 blah, nationwide delivery and all of that. I'm going to show you another description and title. This is description number 2. Title: slippers for sale. Description: this is so vague and unattractive. You don't want to do this. This is not going to bring you more sales. All right. Extra tip: start by thinking about what someone might be typing into Facebook in order to find your product. Make a research on the search item people would be using to find your product, and then include them in your title and description. With this, you are more likely to attract serious buyers and increase sales. Number 2, you have to be honest about what you are selling. You can probably add the reason why you're selling the particular product you are selling, because a lot of persons sell used items on marketplace, so you have to tell us the reason. And extra tip: your posting time matters. You have to post in the evening, weekends. Number 3 tip is that you prepare for negotiation. This is something you cannot avoid. People will price, Nigerians will price, all right? You should be ready for negotiation. It is either you put out the actual price out there, or then there's a space for it where people can actually price, make their offer. So you should not be new to this. You should prepare for negotiation, all right? Additional tip: message back ASAP. As soon as possible. You have to be fast with your replies. You don't want to keep your customers waiting for hours. Number 4, offer a freebie. Everyone likes a wolf. Whatever it is that goes with your product that you think could, bring more people or attract them, you're free to add. But make sure it doesn't, what freebies are. Lastly, you need to be really patient. Good things take time. I tell you, you would get a lot of offers and customers will come, but you have to be really patient. Post good photos, attractive photos with good lighting. Post as many photos as possible. Post multiple photos as possible. I made sales after a week. Yours could be different. It could take months. You have to be consistent. Definitely results will come. But I tell you, this particular platform worked for me. That is one thing I will tell you for a fact. All right. I won't disclose my financial, but then this particular platform worked for me. So if you're struggling to get your product or service seen by potential customers, or probably you want to start sales or start selling, Facebook is your go-to, and this is absolutely free. You don't need no money. We have over 2.7 billion people using Facebook every month. Why not leverage it to sell your product? You don't need to spend on ads. Now, this strategy, like I said earlier, has worked for me, and I trust it would for you. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. Do not forget to like, share, most importantly, share, and subscribe. I love you.